Hi there! Welcome to How to AI in 4 Minutes. Today, we're taking another overview of the best free platform for generated images and how to make money using generated images easily without spending a dime. Go to Tensor.art and sign up with Google. Watch our previous video to get up to speed on how the platform works. You can see how realistic some of these images are. These are models. You can remix any of these models by clicking on them. The realism of some of these images is insane. There are a wide variety of styles to choose from art to anime to 3D to photorealistic models to objects and animals, etc. Take a look at this image. The realism is off the charts. These portraits are so good you want to see the photographer in person. Let's remix this lady with a deep throat, get it? She's cute. You can edit the prompt to your liking. I'll just be tweaking the negative prompt by typing in 2 heads and 2 faces. I'll adjust the aspect ratio and leave everything else as is, then hit generate. While it's generating, let's go to Printify and sign up for a free account. This is where we will be designing our products to sell. Once you're in, you get a wide variety of items you can design a product from. But I recommend going to catalogs and clicking on best sellers. These are the items performing well, and you can create a product from here. We'll start with an iPhone case. Click on Start Designing, then select My Device to drag and drop an image you want to use for the design. Adjust the image to best fit the design and click Preview to see what it would look like. Amazing! Click on Save Product to add it to your store. You can see the retail price, profit, and production cost as well as shipping price. It is ideal you search through for the best deals. Let's design a new product from the best sellers. A t-shirt maybe. Select your item and start designing. We'll drag and drop our generated image from Tensor Art to create a design. Adjust the image to fit. Remember to always pick the right sizes for things like clothes. You don't have to spend any money for designing and delivering these products. Printify handles everything. You just have to get people to your store by advertising or posting your designs on social media. Just like that, you have products to sell wherever you choose, and you spent literally $0 to start. What are you waiting for? You can also sell stock images on different platforms like you can see on Google here. Remember to go through the licensing for the generated images, though. Like and subscribe to stay updated about the latest AI tools and how to make money with them. Here's another video for you.